$3.55. What is out of here? Let's see. Okay, let's see. This is like the cheapest one, 178. Okay. 164. Okay. I think it's 354. I took it 54 cents over, but that's a meal for a family of 4. Today I will be making baby spinach. See how much I got it for? Check that out. $1.19. Prime Deli Honey Ham. Look what I paid. Look what I paid. $1.64. And I have my bread. There's my bread. I paid 69 cents, guys. We can use some Swiss cheese or cheddar jack. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna wash it again. Eat. One, two, three, four, five. And they're pretty thick. And while the meat is cooking, we'll start on our bread. Ready, guys? Are you ready? 3, 4. Sides. Then we just add 2 pieces of cheese. And we're gonna put them in the air fryer. Here's my lettuce or my babies. So we get like 1.25 piece. Then I use a little bit of ranch. Plate. Got 2 plates. Other 2 are salad. Here go my plate. Okay. Have some. I ate mine. Everybody at work or that's enough.